my favorite quote. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than what he seeks. Myself, Arun Kumar Balasundaram, and this is my first experience with Shashank, and hopefully the first of many. And I've been yearning for this kind of experience for years.
बहुत दिनों से बंदीपुर आने की सोच रहा था, बहुत दिनों से प्लान चल रहा था, लेकिन आफ्टर ऑल वो दिन आ गया जो शशांक के साथ आने का मौका मिल गया. बहुत मस्त, बहुत अच्छा.
So it was my birthday coming up, and both my husband and my daughter knew that I love wildlife. So it's a gift from them, and I can't thank them enough. And I can't thank you enough for organizing this kick for all of us.
None of my wildlife trips are planned because they always fail if I plan. So this was also one of those where you sent a message saying there's another woman traveler coming alone. So that was the incentive. One seat is there, would you like to go? So I just decided on an impulse I'm going. And of course my boys, they always know I enjoy wildlife. So I said, why don't you go?
बहुत अच्छा था. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखने को मिल गए.
It feels like entering a parallel universe. The nature, wildlife, the alarm calls we get by the langurs, that someone's here. That's completely a different experience.
It was a very beautiful, nice, actually experience. We felt like very rejuvenated with the nature. We connected with the nature. Yeah, the alarm calls, we got to know the different types of alarm calls, like from the langurs and then the honking from the deers. So, yeah, it was really good. Even I saw that peacock making the alarm call. So it was really good.
Yeah, I've always wanted to explore Bandipur as it is very rich in flora and fauna. It's known for its rich biodiversity, and since it is in the confluence of both the Western and Eastern Ghats, it's a very unique place over here. And I've been following wildlife, and I've been visiting various national parks for the past 10 years. And every time it was like I got only a pinch of what I expected. But this time in Bandipur, it was like an overdose of wilderness. So this has got me very excited.
बहुत सारे जंगल देखने का मौका मिला है, लेकिन बंदीपुर एक बहुत सा अलग से टाइप का जंगल है. इसमें बहुत सी वैरायटीज ऑफ एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स देखने को मिले. बहुत ही मज़ा आ गया.
Tigers, leopards, elephants, gauze, and then king vulture, crested hawk eagle, crested serpent eagle, and then Indian terrapin, mud terrapin, mongoose, lot of mongoose.
Host of them, some of them small but unique, like the green bee-eater, which I've seen for the first time. And then the tusker is magnificent.
Oh, yes.
I think it takes the top thing for me.
We saw spotted deer, sambar deer, then leopard, and the elusive apex predator, that tiger also we were able to come across. So it was a very memorable experience sighting so much of animals over here.
यहाँ पर टस्कर जो देखने को मिले, बहुत ही अलग किस्म के, अलग टाइप के, बहुत ही अच्छे एलिफेंट्स की वैरायटी, पिकॉक की वैरायटी. लेपर्ड्स और टाइगर्स तो देखने को मिला ही मिला है. उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, क्रीम ऑन द टॉप. बहुत ही बढ़िया, मज़ा आ गया.
For the search of tiger, and suddenly our driver contacted the other drivers, Kishore, and he got to know about the leopard sleeping on the tree, and we literally ran over there like, okay, we want to see that leopard. We saw that leopard and we were waiting that leopard will come down. We want to take the shot of leopard coming down from that tree branches down. So we waited for the law, and suddenly the langoose started making an alarm call. So we started looking for the places where we can see or spot the leopard or a tiger. And somehow our driver Kishore thought that we'll go little back, and we spotted the tiger. So that was the most memorable sighting for me, because it was my first live tiger spotting and also the leopard spotting.
The spotting of the tiger in my entire life, it was very close. Never seen before. And how it entered the bushes so silently, can't forget that.
वो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था, ना जिंदगी में ना भूलने वाला. Oh my God, can't even describe.
It was completely unexpected.
It was a surreal experience seeing a tiger on early morning.
Early morning and also head-on shot, and we were walking towards our jeep for almost at least 10 minutes. It was brilliant. It was simply brilliant.
We captured the whole album.
And the luckiest part was there was nothing behind us, nothing in front of us. It was tiger in front and we with him. That was the most surreal experience. We could keep reversing, keep giving him space, continue for 15 minutes. So I think I want to see again a tiger like that.
It was a very big male. It was a dominant male in that area, and it gave us ample amount of time for experimenting with the shots. Thrilling experience, got it. Very nice.
The lifetime experience for us, an amazing memory we collected. Thank you so much.
It's in a lifetime moment for us.
Jungle Lodge never disappoints us actually, and the people here are so polite, gracious, helpful. The food is like home, yet there are so many varieties that you don't make at home, and extremely nice. I found that it's healthy and it's just right for safari, not rich, and the rooms are very comfortable and functional.
I've been in jungle lodges before. This is my third time in JLR Bandipur. It's absolutely brilliant, and I often keep on mentioning this as home. So that's easy to all. Starting from food, the staff, the stay, it's quite good.
Bandipur Safari Lodge was very comfortable. The staff, everybody were very courteous and helpful. And I had this unique experience of which I felt here only. Whenever I encounter any staff passing by, they used to inquire about my health, about how was the food, how was the stay. So this kind of courteousness was very unique. And also, as you said, almost all the staffs are trained naturalists.
जंगल लॉज बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही अप्रतिम व्यवस्था सब. खाना तो पूछना ही नहीं, एकदम घर जैसा बेस्ट क्वालिटी खाना, और सब मतलब पूरी व्यवस्था बहुत ही अच्छी सी थी.
Kishore is one of the best drivers I have met and best guide.
He's a brilliant person with a lot of knowledge about the tigers. Not only the tigers, he has a nature's knowledge about the animals, birds, and I think his eyesight is more sharper than eagle, I think.
A big thank you to Kishore for his wonderful sixth sense, I'll say, which none of us have, I think, but either you have it or you don't have it, right? So he knows exactly what to do and where to go.
Kishore, I found him an amazing tracker, and his expertise and skill. The way we had two encounters. One was we were tracking one sleeping leopard and we were waiting, and then the way he reversed the car, sensing that there could be a leopard or another tiger. Oh my God, that is spot on. That is one. And two, when we heard about another leopard sighting and we were not there, the way he drove and the way he positioned our car so that we could see the leopard coming out of the bush, crossing the road, it is amazing. It is simply amazing.
Shashank is best.
For me, it is no words to say.
It was a very good experience. As a guide, he's the best one because he'll keep the track of everything. He will see that we get to see the tiger or a leopard at least once. And he's very knowledgeable. He'll keep on telling the stories
One of the
about
best
everything.
photographers.
And he's a very good photographer also.
और भी आप शशांक के साथ और भी टूर्स एंजॉय करेंगे.
About Shashank, he is more of a buddy to me now. We've stayed together, we've chatted a lot about his experience, my experience, about the forest and wildlife. And one thing I feel envy of him is his in-depth knowledge about the flora and fauna, not only in India but around the world. In short, I wish I were you.
अब एक शशांक का अच्छा मित्र बन गया है. अभी बताना मतलब शब्दों में बताना मुश्किल है. बहुत ही अच्छी एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया हमको. और अभी नेक्स्ट आगे की सफरी होप करता हूँ उसके साथ ही होगी.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.